Hello, I OP Srivastav going to explain how you will use the star delta method to solve the complicated service circuit to get the net resistance. In fact, one complete solution I have already shown in this screen, taking the problem as this was problem figure. So how it has been solved, I am going to explain from very beginning. Okay, so let us have everything. I'm doing half I am here it is. What I have mentioned here, I have mentioned change resistance and create a numerical. This is the way you can create the numerical by selecting the required resistance, whatever it is. Suppose it is uh, this way 15. It is 5, this is 5, this is 15, this I am making as 20. Okay, so let us make it is 20 ohm. Now 5, 15, 5, 15 and 20 for internal the 4, 6, 8. Alright, let us keep it as it is. And this one as 2, 4, 6. This is the combination and this is the circuit. And you need to find out the net resistance between point AB, point BC and point CA. How it will be done? So let us see. So the complete solution I mentioned here. Okay, now try to understand. What I have done, I have removed this part in from here and taking as in figure 2. Now it is a delta form. I have converted this delta into star form. How delta is converted into star form, if you want to know, please follow my videos. I have already explained this, how you can convert delta into star or star into delta, that you can see. If you need it, just mail me, I will send it. Now next what I have done, now again I have put this star in the same figure, in this figure. I got the figure number 4. Here it is 5, 15 and 20, and this 4, 6, 8 is converted like this 1.78, 1.33, 2.6. I have put it here. Now this 2 ohm and 1.33 in series. Similarly, this 6 ohm and this 1.78 in series, and 2.67 and 4 ohm are in series. I am solve it, utilize it as 5, 15, 20, and this has become 3.33 ohm. This is 7.78. This is 6.67. Again the same. Again I have changed this star. First, what I have done from delta to star, here I am going to convert my star to delta. Again, use the formula I have already discussed. So after changing this star into delta, you will get this much 15, 12.8 saying like this. Now put this delta in the initial figure again. So the new figure will be this much. So now you see 5 ohm and 15 ohm. Again they are in parallel. This 15 ohm and 12.86 are in parallel. 20 ohm and 30 ohm again in are parallel. From 4 5 figure, how calculation has taken place, this I have mentioned it here. Alright, here it is. Same formula as series parallel formula I have used here. So it is for 4 5 figure it is, and this figure 7, it is figure 8. So from figure 7 this RAB has been converted. For फिगर 7 RAB कैसे निकाला गया, RBC कैसे निकाला, RCA कैसे निकाला है, ये हमने यहाँ दिखा रखा है, राइट। और ये फ्रॉम दिस फिगर 7 has been created from figure number 6. It is RA 7.78 is RA, 3.3 ohm is RB, and 6.67 is RC. Now taking this in consideration, I have found out the resistance between AB, that is RAB. What it will be, I have done it here. I have used the formula which is used to convert star into delta, that I have used it here and got this result. Now putting this delta in the final figure, I got this one. Now you see very clearly 5 ohm and 15 ohm are in parallel. 15 ohm, 12 ohm, 12.86 are in parallel, and 20 ohm and 30 ohm are again in parallel. After taking the solution of it, I got this figure now. Again ABC, now resistance between AB will become 3.75, resistance between BC is equal to 6.92, resistance between CA is equal to 12 ohm. Now you can get whatever result you want. I've already calculated here. So you see how the final result is obtained. Now resistance between AB if you want to know. See how it is calculated. Resistance between AB. Now see, resistance between AB means RBC and RC are in series, and along that RAB is in parallel. So as you know, if R1 and R2 are in parallel, the net resistance is obtained as R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2. Same formula I have used here to find out final resistance between A and B. So RAB into RB plus RCA, and this is the value 3.75 into 6.92 plus 12 ohm upon 3.75 plus 6.92 plus 12. After solving all this, you will get 3.13. Same way you can get the resistance between BC. Resistance between BC, again you see BAB and CA are in series, along with BC is in parallel. Same formula R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2 I have used here and got this result. So this way you can get the net resistance between. I have done it here also AB. So AB के बीच में resistance निकालना अगर है तो this are in series as shown it here. 12 ohm, 6.92 ohm are in series, along with that 3.75 is in parallel. After solving this by this method, you will get this resistance. RBC निकालना है तो you can see it. RBC means 3.75 and 12 ohm are in series, along with that 6.92 in parallel. After solving this, according to this, you will get 3.85 ohm. Now, resistance between CA, if you want to know, see it here. CA. It is CA is now RAB and RC are in series, along with CN, the RAB and RBC are in series, and along with RCA is in parallel. After solving this, you will get this result. This way you can get the required resistance. Step by I have already discussed it here, and one thing which is very much essential, that before solving this question you must know how you can convert star into delta or delta into star. If you are not knowing this, please tell me. I will send the link out. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. Okay.